Hello guys, today I will teach you how to make a 3D door in Godot. If you press on E, it will open, and if you press on E again, it will close, like this. So let's first have a look at what we have in the scene, the main world scene here. I have a ground and an area door and a player. So the door itself is an area, and inside it has a collision shape. The area needs a collision shape, and inside the area node I've got a spatial node for to rotate the door. In the rotation node we have a static body with which is the door. For this script to work, we need a signal. For the signal to work, we need a script attached to the door itself, to the area layer. Right click on the area and we say attach script and click on create. We don't need this. We're gonna start over, so empty this. Next step is attaching the node signal body entered to the script from the area door. So I click on the area door here. Body entered, connect. If you done it right, it will open in the script from the area door. If the body is entered by the player, so body name is player, we need a variable called area entered equals false. Then the variable area entered will be true. Let me explain how this works in 3D. If this player is walking in this collision layer from the area node, if we go to the script, because we put a signal on the door, and if we open the script again, the area entered variable will change to true. So now we need another area node, which is called body exit. So click on the body exit node and click on connect and connect it to the area door again. Now we will fill in if body.name is player again, then area entered is set back to false again. If our player is going out of this collision layer, it will set back to false. Now we need another variable. This is called door open equals also false. And now we open the function process, where we will put in the main code. Here we will put if input.is action just pressed UIE, and we have to define the key E. It's not implemented in Godot as a standard key, so we have to put here, I will delete it to show how it works, UI underscore E I will fill, and I will click on add, and then I will click on the plus sign, key, and I press the E key. So now it's added to the input map. Now we will check if area entered equals true. So if the player entered that body, that collision of the area node, then that means the player has entered the collision. Okay, now we will set the door for the script for checking if the door is open or closed. If door open equals or is false, we will refer to the rotation point by pressing $, a dot, rotate underscore y, because we want to rotate the door on the y-axis 90 degrees. That means the door being rotated 90 degrees on the y-axis. That means the door will open now. Then we have to set the door open to true. Now we have to define if the door open is true, then we will rotate on the rotate point the door on the y-axis again, underscore y minus 90 degrees. I forgot something. This is not 90 degrees. Radians to degrees is 90 degrees. The other one is not degrees. We will convert radians to degrees. And then door open is false. Okay, now it should work. I made a mistake here because this needs to be else if that's not the one that he will look for true. So now it should work. If you move from away from the door, press E, not opening. Move closer, it's opening. Voila, that's how you do it.